Happy Monday, room 13. Here is your packet work for Monday, the 4th of May. We're going to start with this page on compare and contrast. Remember, compare tells how things are similar, and contrast tells how things are different. You're going to read the paragraphs on the two great teachers. Mrs. Weathers is up here, and Mrs. Henry is here. Down below, you're going to answer some questions on how they are alike and how they are different. Compare and contrast. Moving right along with the compare-contrast theme, page 2 is one you've seen before. It looks like this, and it tells how things are alike or different. And remember, we used this last week to do a writing, and we're going to do that again because sometimes we need to write about more than one thing. Yeah, did you catch that? We're going to write about more than one thing. So today we are going to pick a new topic. So you're going to start by brainstorming a list of things that you might want to write about today. And then you're going to use the Venn diagram on page 3 to kind of come up with some ideas of things that you could include in your writing. Your writing for this week should be different than your writing from last week. So no writing about the same thing you wrote about last week. Moving right along, page 4 is a fun multiplication page. The top part, remember, these are the numbers you're multiplying. 1 times 1 is 1. Here's a better example. 4 times 7. You see where those two numbers meet, and it's right here. You write the answer. 4 times 7 is... I'm not going to give it to you. That's way too easy. You figure it out. Fill out this chart, and it does say at the very, very top that you should shade in the facts, that you should shade in the multiplication facts that you already know. How many of these could you write down without actually having to think about it? Like, how many did you just know? Like that. Page 5 is another redo. Remember, the other teachers wanted to redo these because their copies got cut off and they don't post these to Seesaw. So if you want to do this again and see if you can find more pollinators, I know the bees right now are going crazy at my house. I don't know about you. See if you can find these. I've seen some hummingbirds out and about. Maybe this has changed since the last time you've done it. If you don't feel like doing this one is an optional one as well. That's all for today. Have a fantastic Monday.